If a small women-owned business gets a ransom demand, the first hour is about slowing things down and protecting options. First step is to isolate. Disconnect the affected computer and do not click or respond to anything. Speed helps attackers, not you. Second, call your IT partner immediately. This is not a DIY moment, and early decisions matter. Third, preserve information. Don't delete files, emails, or messages because that data helps determine what actually happened and what recovery looks like. The goal in our first hour isn't fixing everything, it's to avoid making it worse.
Making IT and technology easy, friendly, and better. Welcome to Sanders IT Consulting. We are here to make IT simple. Call us now to get started.